Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about BLUETTI new AC200L Portable Power Station and UPS. So friend, BLUETTI is set to introduce the AC200L Portable Power Station to the European market, and friend, this solution is designed for portable power needs with a focus on reliability, efficiency, and environment sustainability. The device features 2048-hour lithium iron phosphate battery known for its safety and longevity, capable of exceeding 3000 charge cycle. It supports the product with a 5-year warranty and incorporates a 2400-watt pure sine wave AC inverter with a surge capacity of 7200 watt, which can be extended to 3600 watt in powerlifting mode. This makes it suitable for high demand appliances and sensitive electronic devices. This unit also offers the option to expand its capacity with additional battery packs, either to 2048 hour B230 units or 3072 hour B300 units, allowing for an increased capacity of up to 8192 hour. And their charging capabilities of AC200L include a fast charge feature with a 2400 watt input that can achieve an 80% charge in approximately 45 minutes from a wall outlet. When using a solar panel in optimal conditions, a 1200 watt input allows for a complete charge in around 2 hours, and the product is equipped with 10 outlets to cater a variety of power needs and include 48-volt DC port that, when using optimal BLUETTI DC or DC charger, facilitate battery charging for RV life by converting 12-watt power to be compatible with most RV devices. And friend, this unit is priced in the 1300 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.